Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check unknown caller on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to identify an unknown caller on your iPhone, you can use the *69 feature or a third-party app. So to use *69 feature, immediately after a missed call from an unknown number comes, dial *69 on your iPhone's keypad. So once you simply type this number in your keypad, this code will allow you to redial the last incoming call. So this will attempt to redial the last number that you called you and may reveal the caller's identity. So if you are not using this method, you can simply use a third-party app like caller ID apps called Truecaller, which is highly trusted. This app will identify and block spam calls, and it will help you identify unknown callers as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.